Tired of washing go? Oh, sorry. Tired of washing goes and you want a different look? Then watch my twist out video. So you're gonna start on freshly washed hair after deep conditioning, of course. Then you want to section your hair into 4. You want to add a quarter size amount of leave-in to the large section. Of course, working from the ends of your hair to the root. So then you're going to finger comb, and then you can use a regular wide tooth comb in order to have the curls combed out so you get the proper definition. Make a medium-sized section to start your twist. Add a little bit more leave-in. Then when you actually start the twist, you want to part it evenly in half, and you want to go as close to your scalp as possible. For type 3 hair, you can be a little lenient because our roots don't get as puffy, but my type 4 girls, they're definitely gonna want to grip the roots, almost like you're corn rolling. When you get to the ends, you're just gonna want to wind up with your finger, almost like you're doing a finger coil, to help with the definition when it dries. And then you're just gonna repeat that again.
You to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy. I want you to be mine again.
For people that are transitioning and you still have straight ends, you can put perm rods or flexi rods at the ends. I can't hold on anymore. This shit crazy. Back to business. Sorry. Add a little spray. Spray.
You to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy. I want you to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving.
When you're going from the back of your head to the front, you definitely want to make the front twist a little bit smaller.
Try for you, left me to be alone. I'm losing patience, I cannot take it, I can't replace him, I cannot hate him. Come love me, baby. Come love me, baby. Please come and save me. Please come and save me. I want you to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy. I want you to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy. So out of my mind. Wine pon the man, 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 wine pon the man. Tell a man say you want him bad. Ever since you're gone, I've been so sad. Boy, when me do you make you do me that?
Here I'm just showing you that you can do other styles with it. If you do want to leave it in the next day, you can wear it in a ponytail, you can put half up, half down, whatever you want. And now, this is the finished product. Oh my god, I forgot a piece. Well, whatever. I'm not gonna retwist it, so easy fix. You can take out one of your twists and add it to it. Me, I'm lazy. I'm just gonna do a little shingle, you know, a little easy fix. Then you just want to allow it to air dry as much as possible, and then you want to put on your satin bonnet overnight. Then the next day, when it's time to take out your twist, You definitely want to make sure your twists are 100% dry. And add some oil to your hands. Very, very, very important. Okay? And then you're just gonna unravel it in the opposite direction that you twisted, being very gentle, ladies. Gentle. If you're not gentle, you're gonna produce frizz, and you're not gonna get the definition that you worked so hard on the night before.
Come love me, baby. Please come and save me. Please come and save me. I want you to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy. I want you to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy. So
then you just add a little bit of oil to your fingers, rub your scalp to break up some of the parts, and then you're gonna slowly unravel the twist that you unraveled. Take one piece and then just split it down the middle, being very gentle, starting from your ends, going up to your root, and just split it in half.
You to be mine again, baby. You know this love shit is driving me crazy.
And here I just show you what one side looks like separated and what one side looks like with just taking the twist out. Using the pick is optional. I was going out that same day, so I wanted it a little bit bigger, and here I show you one side picked out and one side not picked. So it's all about your preference. And then you are good to go, sister. You are good.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals.